And today will be another video where I'll be installing this microphone. Yes, Pitch Stop Mount from PERRIN. And I... Tata!
Only time she said it correctly.
Też? And say hello, say hello, say hello. And this color, look how pretty this looks. It's all neon yellow, just like my brakes. Isn't this incredible? And here is my baby.
I'm watching TV here.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
As you guys heard, she's watching TV and do not
Fuck with me. Go.
This is also a phone. Hello? Yes, I'll be doing a video on a pitch stop mount. No, not an install. Just the experience. Yeah. Alright, talk to you later. And in today's video, these are the parts that I'll be going over and what it feels like after they're installed. Pitch stop mount from PERRIN. I really like this color because it matches my calipers on the brakes. It's neon green. And I didn't want to just install this because I was reading on a forum that pitch stop mount support this one, like where this connects to, like where this connects to a wall. This tends to actually break off after a few years. So I decided to buy this. And luckily, when you buy this, it comes with a stainless steel clutch line. So from my experience, the clutch line, once installed, will also provide a different clutch feel. A lot of people say it's better, so I guess we'll see about that. But yeah, I'm really psyched to install these because this will definitely add to that race car experience and it'll tighten everything up. And I can't wait. Wipe this lens here. See some dust. I don't know if you've seen this on my Instagram, but I got this from my girlfriend as part of the kit to wash my car. It's pretty cute. Keep it in the car just for the dust. Okay, that should do it. I wanted to tell you about why I chose PERRIN. PERRIN is a brand that I see a lot online and has been around the corner for a long time. And a lot of YouTubers and people on forums that build these cars, they trust multiple different brands, and one of them is actually PERRIN. It is a high quality product because when I started comparing different parts, like even from online research, to other brands that are not as known, PERRIN seems to produce products that are more beefy. They use really good material like billet aluminum, and because they've been used in a very high horsepower vehicles over and over again, based on my research again, I definitely trust this brand over others. I mean, there's other brands like Cobb, Grimspeed that you see a lot on, and I have to say those are good brands too that I would trust based on what I know. And I've had some PERRIN stuff, like for instance, even this PERRIN lockout that I have here, it's very nice quality. The finish is awesome. I installed 3 things in this vehicle. This was a few weeks ago actually. I haven't been driving the car much, but I've been driving it enough to give you my feedback and how it differs. I don't have my initial reaction video because if I remember correctly, it was really cold and I was just like, I just want to get home. It was a really pleasant surprise on my first day with the pitch stop mount, pitch stop brace, and a new clutch line installed, all part of a package. When you buy from PERRIN, they throw in a free stainless steel clutch line, a part of a package as a bonus when you buy the pitch stop mount brace. But now it's just such a better feel. It really is a better feel. It's more the perfect word for it is refined. There's still resistance, but resistance on the clutch, it's very slightly progressively harder. It's perfect, literally perfect. It also engages quicker, and I'm more confident in engagement. There's a lot of people that install these for reliability purposes, you know, the pitch stop mount and the brace, and that's why I did that. And I also wanted to tighten everything up because, as you know, if you've been following me, what I'm working on in this vehicle is suspension and all the bushings. I really want to make this car just feel very, very connected to the road, and I want to amplify the fun factor of this already analog vehicle. Yeah, I just love how the clutch feels. It's just fantastic. It really is. So that motion between gears, like if you let go of the clutch too fast, that thing is gone. It's so much nicer, guys. Like this really, every single change that I've done in the car, not only it improves the fun factor, but it really changes the way the vehicle behaves, like altogether. And another thing is when I switch a gear, because that flex and that movement between shift is gone, it engages quicker. You're more sure. Everything is faster, so your shifts are now faster. Not because of just the travel distance, because of the short shifter kit in my car, but the fact that the movement is gone, so the timing of engagement in between gears is much faster, which translates to obviously faster lap times if you're tracking the car, and just overall more engaging and fun drive. Yeah, I love it. It's immediate. Every single choice that I made to modify this vehicle, I've been more than happy with, really. Also, another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is that I do research a lot of this stuff before I make a video. It's important for me that I get the best bang for my buck, number one, and number two, high quality parts. Because we all know we can buy cheaper parts that's really good value, but the question is it as good as this, the more expensive part? So I try to find balance where it's high quality, but it's not the most expensive. For instance, I'm also shopping for rear control arms, and there's a brand that makes titanium control arms, and I think it's like $700 for titanium control arms. Now the question is, do I really need that? Am I doing time attack every day? Is this you have to answer all these questions. And every other brand that doesn't make it titanium, it's still incredibly strong, long-lasting. And speaking of rear lower control arms or suspension components, I'm gonna go with the Super Pro. After doing a lot of research, initially I was going to go with Whiteline, but reading on forums, working with my shop, knowing people that have Subarus, Whiteline has deviated from quality over time. That's what I'm reading. It's not from experience, it's just from what people are reporting over the last few years. So another company that exists that's very high quality, they make parts in Australia, is Super Pro. All right, so I'm gonna show you about that flex movement right now when I floor it on first and second gear. It's immediate. It's immediate. Like the engagement is there. It doesn't do it, you know, especially when you let go of the clutch quicker, when you're trying to shift much faster. It's such a pleasant experience, and I know that nothing is happening there. Everything is just stiff, reinforced, great quality. Highly recommend. It's one of the first mods that everybody should do for the people that are keeping this vehicle and are planning to really modify the hell out of it over a long period of time. I hope that you find these videos helpful and maybe a little bit of fun. I do enjoy recording, I enjoy editing these videos, and every single comment and like, subscription to my channel, it really puts a smile on my face, makes me feel like I'm part of a community and I'm helping people, and at the same time I'm having a ton of fun. So I wanted to thank you for taking your time and watching this video. It motivates me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video.